Drink a small glass of water before using the Kai machine. Position the Kai machine on a firm surface with the handle facing away. Make sure there is room underneath the machine for air movement. Stretch out your lower back, then lay down on the floor. Center your body with the arrow and place your legs on each side of the machine. Position your legs on the cradle so that the back of your calf rests on the cradle just above the ankle bone. Make sure the ankle bone is about 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5.1 centimeters, over the edge of the cradle so your feet can move freely back and forth. Position your arms. Turn the timer switch on to activate the machine. First-time users should not do more than 2 to 3 minutes. If you are in poor health, use less than 1 minute. Increase the time in 2-minute increments once your body has adjusted to the movement. Use of the machine twice a day provides maximum benefits. Stay relaxed and allow your body to move with the swing of the machine. The machine provides a full body movement. Breathe deeply and evenly during the movement. Breathe into the count of 7, hold to the count of 4, and exhale from the abdomen to the count of 8. The timing of each breath is not as important as the rhythm of the breathing. Remain on the floor for 2 to 3 minutes before getting up after the machine stops. If necessary, remove your feet from the cradle during this time. Stretch out your spine and hips, then roll to one side and get up off the floor. Drink a full glass of water.